All right. Ready to start up here. Spent the night at Put-in-Bay last night, and I'm ready to head home. Couple shots of primer. Throttle open a 1/2 inch. Mag on left. Brakes set. Clear prop. All right, she's running. Oil pressure's up. Fuel pressure's up. All right, we're ready to taxi. Put-in-Bay traffic. Cherokee 4257 Juliet Steep. There's crossing 3 and 21.
For 2 stairs off, Healy 8 and 1.
There's Mark and Frank.
Goodbye, Randy.
See you, Mark. See you, Frank. Mark and Frank are in the helicopter going for a ride. Getting ready to go for a ride.
And Port Simpson traffic, November 208 Golf Tango coming in for full stop landing at the diner, November 208 Golf Tango.
Mag check complete. Put-in-Bay traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's departing 3, Put-in-Bay.
And Put-in-Bay traffic, helicopter 5, Lima Sierra's mile and a half upwind of 3. I'll be making a left turn, heading around the side of the island at 1,300 feet, island traffic.
And we're off. There's 50, 60, and we're gonna rotate.
Port Clinton traffic, November 208 Golf Tango, coming in 45 entry to downwind runway 9, Port Clinton traffic.
Fremont traffic, that's 6123 off. Downwind for runway 9, we'll be departing the pattern to the southwest. Fremont.
Beautiful, smooth air today, wow. The lake's pretty, a lot of boats out. It's the first good weekend we've had in a long time.
Direct Victor Lima Lima for 114.
Going about 115 miles an hour.
It is 13435.
Hands free. Beautiful.
advise the ramp at the diner is closed. If you want to go over there, we can park on our side and we'll get you right over. Any of the marked tie downs with ropes?
Right, your drop after you.
Boy, we've gotten a lot of rain lately. That's one of the reasons why I haven't flown in quite a while. Every time a weekend comes around, it's raining, the weather's bad. Been terrible during the week too. I think we went almost 3 weeks with rain every day. There's a lot of water laying on the ground. I didn't realize it was so much.
1 mile north of the airport at 1,500 feet, looking for that downwind traffic.
Didn't realize there was so much water laying until you get up here and look. Just everywhere.
716 Charlie.
Skagit traffic, helicopter, that's flight 5 to the southeast.
Little Bass Island, helicopter 27 Bravo Sierra, beyond left, downwind for 10, Little Bass.
Mansfield approach, Cessna 27170.
Alright, traffic, airplane 650, forms right downwind, that's back.
Cessna 27170, Mansfield approach to Mansfield, altimeter 3013, take position on 11. 27170, Cessna 150, about 10 miles to the south, 2,500 feet, with information, Whiskey, like to be inbound landing, Mansfield full stop.
East of the airport, entering a right 45 and the left down.
Over 27170, taking your position? About 10 miles to the south, 2,500, 170. Over 27170, roger, reset transponder, squawk 4701. 4701 for 27170. Number 170, correction on my part there, the squawk is 4707, sorry about that. 4707, no problem, 170.
Time to get Mansfield's weather to see what the wind's doing.
Visibility 10.
I think we're still a little too far. Pull the squelch knob out, we'll listen to that again.
Information X-ray 1652 Zulu weather 1010 at 10. Visibility 10. Skies clear. Temperature 2.10. Altimeter 3013. Visual approach runway 5 in use. Intersecting runway operations in effect. Notice airman taxiway Delta and Echo north of runway 523 closed. Advise initial contact. Give X-ray.
All right, we got X-ray.
Notice tower information X.
I'll tell you, this is the best way to get to the islands and the north coast, especially to Put-in Bay. I got a 35-minute plane ride from my hangar to Put-in Bay Airport when I fly. And if I have to drive, I've got about an hour and 15 minutes to get to the boat dock, the Miller Ferry. When you get there, you most likely have to wait on the next boat. That could take 15-20 minutes, and you got a 20-minute boat ride. So you've got about 2 hours wrapped up from my driveway to stepping foot on the island. So flying is, it makes the island so much more accessible. You can go up for part of a day, just a little bit, and it doesn't seem like you spend your whole day traveling.
Mansfield approach, jet speed 84 7.7 for 7,000. We have X-ray.
I don't see a whole lot of ADSB traffic on the ForeFlight
Jet speed 84 to 17,
on the way back.
Maintain 5,000, jet speed 84.
Short final 5, full stop galley.
ForeFlight is, in my opinion, worth every penny of the subscription cost. It's jam-packed with so much information. It increases your situational awareness. I built myself a Stratux, S-T-R-A-T-U-X, ADSB in that connects to my iPad and to ForeFlight, and it will overlay traffic as well as weather. You can see the the storms, just like you could on a regular phone app. It also updates ATIS weather. If an airport has got weather they put out, their METAR, you can tap it and it'll give you the current weather. It'll update that as well. And that little unit I built, the Stratix.
Altimeter 3014, verify information X-ray and same intentions.
The Stratix cost me about $130 to build myself. It's not difficult. I'm not a computer guy. It was just really simple. You order the parts, they come, you snap them together, plug it in, and you're up and running. Don't let the fact that you're ordering pieces and parts from a bunch of different retailers to get the Stratix to work. It's simple. All right, turn the fuel pump back on, mixture full rich. Got the power pulled back to about 2200 RPM. Got about a 500 foot a minute descent to get back down to traffic pattern altitude.
Put Bay traffic helicopter 5 limits here. Turning final for 3, number 2. Put in Bay.
Shelby traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's on the 45 for the left downwind 36 Shelby.
Wayne County traffic, 9 Bravo X-ray is turning left crosswind for 10, Wayne County.
Shelby's elevation is 1120. Our traffic pattern altitude is going to be 2100 feet. We're at 2250.
Step to the taxiway and stop at my helipad. Put Bay.
Wayne County traffic, 9 Bravo X-ray is turning left downwind for 10, Wayne County.
Shelby traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's left downwind 36 Shelby. There's our traffic pattern altitude right there, 2100 feet.
Portland traffic, Skyline Inc. Tango is approximately 4 miles, 5 miles east of the airfield. On a photo mission, 3,200 feet. We're going to be transitioning westbound back across Marblehead and we'll working parts of the area to the west. Portland.
All right, we're beam the numbers. We're gonna pull the power back to 1800. 1, 2, 3 cranks on the trim. We're within the white arc. We're gonna put in 1 notch of flaps. Get us slowed down.
Wayne County traffic, 9 Bravo X-ray is turning left base for 10, Wayne County.
Okay, we're 45 degrees from our touchdown point. We're gonna turn 85 miles an hour. Shelby traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, turning base 36 Shelby. There we go. Notch of flaps number 2. We're gonna check to the south, make sure there's no inbound traffic.
Entering a 45-degree entry, downwind,
We look good.
Wayne County traffic, 9 Bravo X-ray, turning final for 10, Wayne County.
Shelby traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, turning final 36 Shelby.
Portland traffic, 1052 is about 15 miles to the east. We're going to be entering a 45-2 left downwind, runway 9, Portland.
There's my call out, 500 feet above ground. Right when I turn final, it's where I want to be.
Left base for runway 9.
final for runway 36.
Correction,
Looking good.
Romeo is to the west.
Right on the extended center line. Our speed up 80.
November 1027 Foxtrot is 10 miles to the north, landing foot bay, runway 3.
500 foot a minute descent.
Quadroid traffic system 02 Delta, bring left crosswind for 02, Wadsworth.
There we go. Beautiful landing, right on the center line. All right, get some air moving in here. Thanks for coming along. Again, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. I don't upload very often, but when I do, hopefully it's something you'll find interesting. Thanks a lot. Everything off. Mixture full lean. There goes the... All right. Thanks for coming along, guys. Bye-bye.